Seems like every notification, message, and call distracts me from what I'm focusing on. The focus feature minimizes these distractions. However, you will need to set up this feature. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Focus. You might have to swipe to see it. Listed are some default and suggested focuses. Or tap on the Add button to select more possible focuses, including custom. I'll select Personal. To proceed, tap on Next. When setting up a focus, the iPhone will intelligently suggest contacts you may wish to allow notifications from during your personal focus time. You may remove all or remove them individually. As well, tapping on Add Person will take you to your contact screen so you may select more contacts to allow notifications from. The option to allow incoming calls is available as well. Now you can tap to select what contacts you wish to allow calls from, in addition to the ones you have already allowed. Repeated calls, when enabled, allows a second incoming call within 3 minutes from the same person to go ahead and sound. When finished, tap Done. To proceed, if you are allowing people, then tap the Allow People, or if allowing no people, then tap Allow None. Next, follow the same procedure to select apps you wish to allow notifications from while this focus is active. Select all the apps you wish. When finished, tap Done. You may allow apps not in your allowed list, for example, reminders or calendar events, to send notifications if they are time-sensitive by enabling this feature as mine is. Once again, tap Allow to continue. Your focus is ready. To proceed, tap Done. From this screen, you may turn on your personal focus time to use it now, as well as edit your focus by tapping on a topic. There are further options from which to choose. Let's tap on Focus Status. Share Focus Status, when enabled, as mine is, allows apps to display to people who message you that you have notifications silenced. If you prefer this not occur, tap to disable. When finished, swipe back. Let's now tap on Home Screen. Notification badges are the little red circles that appear on apps that have notifications for you. If you find these distracting, you may enable Hide Notification Badges during this focus time. Additionally, you may pick specific home screen pages to be displayed. For example, a home screen page that has only work-related apps on it. Let's tap to enable this. Displayed are your home screens, and you may select which ones to have displayed during this focus time. If you haven't set up a specific home screen page for this purpose, you may return here after you have to select the pages. I'll tap Cancel. Let's swipe back. Now let's tap on Lock Screen. You may choose to have the lock screen dimmed during this focus time. Additionally, during this focus time, you may have silenced notifications appear on the lock screen. When finished, swipe back. You can further customize the smart activation by tapping Add Schedule or Automation. You can have this focus turn on automatically at certain times. Tap each category to make your selections, tapping Done when finished with each category. Smart Activation automatically turns on this focus at relevant times during the day based off of your location, app usage, and more. So, for example, when you arrive at work and use the Mail app, your work focus may be automatically turned on for you. Let's add Smart Activation. Lastly, from this screen, you may delete this focus. When finished, swipe back. All focuses you have set up can be utilized across all your devices running your Apple ID and iCloud account. So, for example, your personal focus will activate on your iPhone as well as your iPad. If you prefer this not to occur, then disable Share across all devices. When finished, swipe back to Settings. Return to the home screen. Focuses can be turned on and off, as well as managed through the Control Center. iPhones with a home button swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the control center. Other phone models swipe down from the upper corner. Here you see Focus. Tap on it. Listed will be a variety of focuses. To view options for the focus, tap the More button. These options vary between focuses. Make your selection, or to close the options, tap the More button. To turn on a focus, tap the focus. Tap it again to turn it off. To close the focus screen, tap Elsewhere. Close the control center by tapping Elsewhere or swipe up. Use Focus to keep distractions to a minimum so you can stay in the moment. Learn more about the iPhone's amazing features by visiting us at mymobilegenius.com.
Empowering mobility.